Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. As we know, spring season is started and everybody is excited to plant some trees, plants and vegetables. As I love gardening, I believe there's a lot of people love gardening. When I go to the store, I see the people rushing to get the plants, vegetables and trees. So I decided to make a really good video. If you love to grow organic vegetables and healthy plants and trees, then this video is going to be really useful for you. I'm going to show you the trick to make soil at home just with 3 ingredients. And I am doing this one from many years and always I have a success with those. So now let's start video. First thing, you need a peat moss. I bought it from Lowe's. I always use this premier brand. Have no chemical, nothing. It's just the organic peat moss. Then second thing, you need a manure. You can have a organic manure if you can find it near you. I use steer manure that I buy from Lowe's. You can use the black cow manure, whatever available, but make sure you don't have any weed inside and no chemical. The last thing, I'm using perlite. I have a small bag because I'm going to make this one for plants and trees right now. Then later I will make more for my vegetables. The first, we will open peat moss. When you got in a bag, they're really compressed. As you can see, it's like a big chunk. So you just dump like that and you can break it in pieces. Like make sure all pieces are separate like a sand. If it's too dry, you need to spray some water. In my case, it is like a little moist, so I don't have to spray any water. So once you have mixed it properly, then the next thing we are going to put 2 bags of manure. Here is the option. You can put 3 or 4 depend on the season. Since it's spring, I always use 2 or 3. This time I'm going to use 2 only because I have a leftover 2 bag of mixed topsoil and compost I will add on the top. So I dumped 2 bags of manure already. Now the last thing we are going to put perlite. From these 3 ingredients you have to make your soil. Perlite is really help your plants to breathe good. Now the last thing I'm going to dump topsoil and compost mixed is totally compulsory. You don't have to, but I have it, so I dumped. Now we will be mixed properly and our soil will be ready to use. Best thing about making soil at home, you know what you're feeding to your plants, vegetables and trees, and it's totally organic, no weeds inside. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.